Good morning, dear students. I, Professor Basavaraj Koche, welcome you all for today's lecture of Marketing Management. This is module number 1, video number 6. In today's class, we shall see the objectives of market research. In previous class, we have seen the meaning and definitions of market research. Here, a market research project may usually have three different types of objectives. Number one, administrative, number two, social, and number three, economical. Here, the first one is administrative objective, which helps a company or a business development through proper planning, organization, and both human and material resources control, and thus satisfy all specific needs when within the market at the right time. The administration is very much essential in the companies about what raw material is available, how much raw material we need to purchase, how much say working capital is available, how much is required, what are the debts, the upcoming plans, etc. So all these things we need to remember, and market research provides a base for all these things and control and satisfy the specific needs of the market. And these objectives under administrative areas will be helped to fulfill by the market research or marketing research, because it provides the data, it provides the information based upon which the administrative decisions can be taken by the marketing decision makers or by the marketing managers. So this is the first objective of market research. Second is social objectives. Under social objectives, the responsibility is of the company to keep their customers safe even after using their products. That is why safety customers, specific needs through a required product or services. Whenever a specific product is required by the customer, at that point of time it is the responsibility of the company that by using the product, the customers should be safe and happy. That's why you might have seen while purchasing a bike and other things, the instructions or guidance will be given by the company related to that product in a proper way so that the user of that product is safe. That's why safety customers specific needs through a required product or service. The product or service should comply with the requirements and preference of a customer when it's consumed. Here, when the consumable products or the products when they are used, the it should comply the requirements of the customers, and the safety should be maintained. So these are the objectives related to social objectives. Third is economical objectives of market research. Here, market research determines the economical degree of success or failure a company can have while being new to the market. Whenever a new product is being launched or there is a plan of launching a new product, at that point of time, market research will provide a platform and make the company to understand whether this product will be acceptable, whether this product is worth, or whether this will be a successful product for the company, or it may be end up with a failure. So all the basic information related to new product or a new market is considered while making decisions related to economical activities, or otherwise introducing new products or services and thus providing certainly to all actions to be implemented. It is not that easy to bring up a new product, because before bringing up a new product, the marketing study need to be conducted. First, the market need to be understood, whether there are competitors in those field or no. If yes, how their products are there, what margin they are getting, what is the cost of production, and what innovation we are going to make in our product. or what are the strategies we are having with this product. So all the action plan should be ready, and to make this action plan, the market research provides the basic platform with information and ideas based upon which the decisions should be taken. So therefore, here if we see economically, based upon all these informations, market research is very much essential. Now let us see how marketing research is useful for the various people. Number one, producer. How marketing research or market research will helpful to the producer. Number one, to know about his product potential in the market, or vice versa, the total product. Here it is useful whether the products to find out the product's potentiality, whether the new product will be accepted, various brands available, various pricing strategies, market structures, and selection of new product strategy, etc. All these informations will be available for the producers with the help of market research. The next is business and government. Marketing research helps business and government in focusing attention on the complex nature of problems faced by them. For example, determination of gross national product, price indices, and per capita income. All this information can be provided by market research. Then expenditure level and budgeting, because whenever we are bringing up or introducing new product, at that point of time the budgeting is very much essential. The cost of production, marketing products or marketing costs, all those things are included in budgeting. Then related to agricultural pricing, if it is a agricultural product, what are the pricing policies laid down by the government and expected by the business. All these things, a platform will be provided by market research. The next, the economic policies of the government will be helpful to study by the help of market research. And next is operational and planning problems of business and industry. Whenever any business or industry is under problem, the operational planning is made with the help of marketing research. So these are the some things which are helpful for market research under business, product, producer, and other things. The next concept is of market research and its importance. These things we shall see in tomorrow's class. Till then we shall stop here. If you have any doubts, questions, queries, please feel free to contact me at any point of time. Till then, thank you. Good day.